Worst case scenario: kidney failure, chronic kidney disease, kills more people than breast cancer or prostate cancer, NVS 2021 report of 2018 data. And in the United States, an estimated 37 million people are affected by chronic kidney disease, which is about 15% of the adult population. Thus, more than 1 in 7 adults have CKD. Here are 10 foods to reduce the effects of chronic kidney diseases. Chronic kidney disease, or CKD for short, is the progressive loss of kidney function. The kidneys are basically in charge of filtering waste, releasing hormones that regulate blood pressure, and producing urine and other vital functions. And they can be easily damaged in a variety of ways, based on risk factors such as diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, smoking, genetics, gender, and age, which in turn damage kidney blood vessels, reducing their ability to function properly. Sodium, potassium, and phosphorus are ultimately some nutrients people living with chronic kidney diseases are recommended to avoid and not include in their diets. Later on, in the video, we will talk more about foods that contain no or less sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. So, for anyone with chronic kidney disease or a loved one struggling with CKD, here are some foods you can include in your diet to help you improve your health. 10. Apples. An apple a day, they say, keeps the doctor away. Literally, maybe then you won't have to see your doctor every week. Apples are essentially low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. They are also high in fiber and reduce cholesterol levels. Another good news, apples are all around. You can eat them raw, baked, stewed, eaten as pie, salad, and as a juice or apple cider.
Yummy.
9. Cabbage. Cabbages are high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and fiber. Also, essentially low in potassium. It enhances digestion, lowers cholesterol and blood sugar levels, promotes a healthy weight, and is a fantastic source of fiber. Additionally, anthocyanin, a class of flavonoids found in plants and responsible for the lovely purple, red, or blue hue, is found in red cabbage, a colorful addition to your bowl of salad. You can't go wrong with some cabbage soup or as a salad topping. 8. Egg whites. Egg whites are less harmful than egg yolks as they contain little amount of phosphorus and serve as a healthy source of protein. Egg whites come in powdered form, fresh, or pasteurized. Get a little extra with an omelet or egg white sandwich, pasteurized egg whites for your smoothies, and boiled egg whites for your salads. 7. Red bell peppers. Long story short, red bell peppers are low in sodium and potassium and contain helpful antioxidant compounds like vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin A, folic acid, fiber, and equally essential nutrients for proper immune activity, which is important for protection against cell damage in the body. Red bell peppers also contain lycopene, an antioxidant that protects against certain types of cancers. Red bell peppers, of course, are essentially also low in potassium, excellent to be incorporated into your kidney diet. Great for kidney diet. Red bell peppers can be eaten raw as a snack or appetizer, eaten with your salads as a topping, and can also be added to your various kidney diet meals. Eating the right amounts of protein is important for your kidneys to function better. Moving on in the video, we will let you in on a particular food that contains just the right amount of protein your dietitian may recommend for your diet. So, stick around. Never miss out on any health information and get them right at your fingertips. Simply hit the subscribe button for more health information and updates. 6. Onion. For sodium-free and flavor-tainted meals, onions are the best way to go. Onions contain low levels of potassium and high levels of chromium, a mineral that aids in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. White, brown, red, and others types of onions can be used in different ways, including being eaten raw on burgers, sandwiches, and salads, or cooked and used as a topping. Although you might not be able to avoid that stinky breath afterward. Later on in the video, we would share with you one food perfect for your salads and great for your health. We will bring it to you in a bit. Do stick with us. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is another food that does not contain phosphorus and is high in oleic acid, a polyunsaturated fatty acid that helps reduce the risk of inflammatory issues in the body. Olive oil is a high-calorie food that people living with CKD can incorporate into their diet to help them in weight gaining, a good food option for people with chronic kidney disease. Olive oil by far is considered one of the best and healthy oils for cooking.
Good choice.
4. Cauliflower. With less sodium, potassium, or phosphorus, cauliflower contains a variety of healthy nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and the B vitamin folate. Cauliflower in preparation can be used as a substitute for rice and mashed potatoes dishes, added to salads, steamed or boiled and seasoned with some spices, and in some instances can be used as pizza crust. Cauliflower is a good source of folate and fiber and contains anti-inflammatory indole compounds that help the liver break down toxic substances in the body. 3. Garlic. Garlic, aside its wide variety of health benefits, serve as a brilliant choice of seasoning for CKD patients. People with CKD are advised to reduce the salt intake in their diet, thus garlic can be an alternative to salt, giving prepared meals a more natural taste and flavor.
That smells incredible.
Garlic is an excellent source of vitamin C and vitamin B6, including sulfur compounds that prevent inflammation and lower cholesterol. Garlic comes fresh, bottled, minced, and powdered, which you can add to your stews, meat, and vegetable dishes. 2. Fish. Fish contain omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce triglyceride levels in the blood vessels, heart, and kidneys. These omega-3 fatty acids also help lower low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, and raise HDL cholesterol. Eric P. Rim, SCD, Chair of the American Heart Association Writing Group and Professor of Epidemiology and Nutrition at the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health in Boston, stated in an advisory that scientific studies have further established the beneficial effects of eating seafood rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially when it replaces less healthy foods, such as meats that are high in artery-clogging saturated fat. Whitefish, herring, mackerel, and salmon contain just the right amount of protein needed and are high in omega-3s, so that CKD doesn't worsen or are too little than required. 1. Water. Water generally is the most important drink the body needs to undertake its functions. Drinking water frequently helps the cells in the body to transport toxins into the bloodstream. The kidneys here need and use water to filter toxins out of the body and create the urine that transports these toxins out of the body. Hydration is important for the human body to function, while as daily we tend to lose fluid through sweating, urination, or through vomiting and diarrhea. Dehydration causes the body to produce more urine, which contains more nutrients and waste materials, developing certain crystals which may impair kidney function and exacerbate some kidney illnesses, including kidney stones. And according to research, drinking enough water may be able to protect and improve kidney function, as much as the foods mentioned in this video may help reduce the effects and support the kidney. They might not entirely be the best diet options for people living with CKD. Therefore, take other important health measures like visiting your doctor and dietitian to help put you on the best diet options good for your health. Take this step towards protecting your kidneys. Get in tuned on how to keep your kidneys healthy by checking out our other video on the top 8 best ways to protect yourself from any kidney diseases. Hope this video was great help. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.